If your AT&T modem is blinking white, it typically indicates that the device is booting up. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to over an hour in some cases. To stop the blinking white light, you should first allow the modem to complete its boot up process. If the light does not stop blinking after an hour, it may be a sign of a problem. The first step to troubleshoot this issue is to power cycle the modem. To do this, unplug the power cord from the back of the modem, wait for 30 seconds and then plug it back in. This will restart the modem and may resolve any issues that are causing the blinking white light. If the power cycle does not work, you should check the modem lights to see if there are any other lights that are also blinking or solid. This can help you identify the source of the problem. For example, if the internet light is also blinking, it may indicate a problem with your internet connection. You should also check the physical connections of the modem to ensure that all cables are securely connected. This includes the power cord and any Ethernet cables. If you are using a router, you should also check the connections between the modem and the router. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you may need to reset the modem to its factory settings. To do this, locate the small reset button on the back of the modem and press it down with a paper clip or pin for 10 seconds. This will restore the modem to its original settings and may resolve any issues that are causing the blinking white light. It is also a good idea to check for any firmware updates for your modem. Outdated firmware can cause a variety of problems, including the blinking white light. You can check the AT&T website for any available updates and follow the instructions to install them. If you have tried all of these steps and the blinking white light persists, you may need to contact AT&T technical support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance on how to resolve it.